cleaning up a bit, and something caught my eye in regards to the mulch bed. Got to cross the T's, dot the I's. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Doing a little maintenance, if you know what I mean. Didn't like the curve at the end of the mulch bed where the edger is, so I'm working on it. This happens all the time. You get somebody to do some work for you and they end up having to come back to make adjustments and fix stuff. And I'm not an expert, so this should be expected. Brought the brood out. You know what I do now? I just cut half and then rake and get what I missed. It's a good system. Of course, I brought the works out. Why not? If you're going to do something, do it right. Did I tell you guys to pick one of these up? Do I have to blow the little clippings off the marble chips? Yeah, I do. Don't want to see them on my marble chips. I worked too hard doing all this. Now, what do we have here? Tiki torches. This is big. This is really big. First time for everything. Oh, yeah. Tiki torches have been put in the ground. What's next? What do we have here? Looks like a stand or something. What do I have up my sleeve now? I'm putting something together. Looks pretty big, too. Let's keep going. Looks like I'm almost finished. What's in the bag, though? Must be something big. I'm getting kind of excited. Aren't you? Let's see if I can pull this off without help from anyone. It would be better if I had another set of hands, though. I'll figure it out. If you guys opt to get the screen, cost about $100. Yep, easy to put together. Should take about 10 minutes or so. All right, got the tape measure out. Need to figure out the distance from here to, I guess, the house, something like that. No more daylight, that's okay. We'll use the patio lights and keep going. All right, got a stand here. Let's set it up. Okay, it's there. Here's the projector. Let's put it on top of the stand. Oh, be careful. Okay, I got power. Well, at least I connected the cords to an extension cord. So I should be seeing something real soon. Think my old man would be proud. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.